Intensive practice 5.2, question 6. There are 3 children with their mass arranged according to descending order of a geometric progression. So we have 3 children. Their masses are decreasing in a geometric progression. So this is T1, T2, T3. Okay. The sum of mass of 3 of them is 7 times the mass of the lightest child. So we can say the sum of these 3, so T1, T2 plus T3 is 7 times the mass of the lightest child, which is T3. Okay, this is one information we have now. Find the common ratio and the mass of the child whose weight is second heaviest. So the question is asking us to find R and T2. If the heaviest child is 14.5, so T1 is given 14.5. So T1 is also known as A, is 14.5. So these are the information we have from the question. Alright, let's try to solve this. Okay, so our whole idea is to find this and this. Maybe we might use the help of this. Okay, so Tn for a geometric progression, Tn is AR n minus 1. This is the formula. So T1 is sorted. T1 is actually just A. Okay, T1 is A. T2 would be AR. T3 would be AR square. T4 would be AR cube, and so on. So this might come in handy when we want to do the sum. Okay, so we know that these are the T's values, so we can sub them into here. Okay, so we can say A plus AR square is 7 times of AR square. And then since we know the value of A, actually you don't have to know the value of A. Since all terms have A, we can cross out the A. So we can divide the whole equation by A. We'll be left with 1 plus R square is 7R square. And then we can bring all of these to this side. So 7R square minus R square is 6R square. Minus R minus 1 is 0. Then we can factorize this. So A is 6, B is negative 1, C is negative 1. We get R negative 1 over 3. R is 1 over 2. So here will be 3R plus 1, 2R minus 1. Okay. Now that we know the masses cannot take negative values. If R is negative, then this is going to be negative. So we have to reject this because masses cannot be negative. So R is 1 over 2. Oops. Settle. Now we need to find T2. If you have R already, T2 is easy to find. T2 is just A to the A times R. A is 14.5. R is 1 over 2. (14.5) times 1 over 2. 7.25. Done. So their masses are decreasing by half. So this guy was 14.5. This guy is 7.25. And this guy would be half of 7.25. Because the R is 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Right. That's it.